Hi guys, it's Sammy Wynn with Life with Sammy. We have 2 tickets. We're going to take you to the RV show. Okay, we are in the park and we're going to get started. So first thing to do is we're going to show you quickly kind of what it looks like inside. Our goal in about 3 to 5 years is pack up and hit the road and live in our RVs and see which RV we want to get into. So we're going to get started. This is the Windsport, brand new one, and right now at the Houston RV it's for $111. Okay, you guys, this can sleep up to 6 people. This is a massive beast. Let's go check it out. We're heading to paradise. This is massive. Okay, I'm ready to hit the road with this bad boy. Let's go.
Hi, this is the Hummingbird by Jayco, the #1 trailer company, camping trailer company. This little thing looks like a food truck, a little tiny food truck, but really, you can look at this thing and it sleeps 2 people. That's how small this thing is. For $12,000, you can buy this Hummingbird. You can sleep in it. I don't know if I can fit in this thing. Let's try it. Oh, I fit.
Barely.
There's a shower in here, right? Shower floor. It'll fit. It's tiny. Fortunately, no room for a shower. It's a mini kitchenette. There's a mini refrigerator. Mini microwave. Little bar sink. You know what this thing looks like? Nope, a faucet. That's it. That's your little trailer.
Oh my goodness. This is so cute. The bathroom. I really like the colors in here. It's really bright and I love teal. But I like how they line everything up with the lighting, so it looks really pretty. Way modern. I really like this style. So I'm assuming you take this out and this turns into a bed. And then you can open up all the curtains, but you can close it up. And then extra storage in here, extra storage in here, sink, cabinets, extra storage. The Hype Life, wait, what is it? MTV Cribs RV style. This is pretty much what it is. Did you guys have fun today? Because that was a whole lot of RVing. We crawled into a lot of spaces and climbed up a lot of RVs, and that was so much fun. However, I'm a little bit overwhelmed with all the selections, so I hope you got all the information. I learned so much, and that was a great experience. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys got what you need. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment below. Thanks guys. Bye.